presenting the Ram 2018 2500 Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are granite crystal metallic clear coat, 180 AMP alternator, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display included, 5.0 touchscreen display, overhead console, rear view day night mirror, GPS antenna, input temperature and compass gauge, integrated voice command with Bluetooth charge only, remote USB port, Sirius XM satellite radio. For more info call 800-643-21121. Your Sirius XM radio service. Gross vehicle weight 10,000 lbs, anti-spin differential rear axle, transmission 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE included, 3.42 axle ratio, engine 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, gross vehicle weight 10,000 lbs, Cummins turbo diesel badge, current generation and